Yan.
Mole crickets are members of the insect family Gryllotalpidae in the order Orthoptera, grasshoppers, locusts, and crickets. Mole crickets are cylindrical-bodied, fossorial insects about 3 to 5 centimeters (1.2 to 2.0) in long as adults, with small eyes and shovel-like forelimbs highly developed for burrowing. They are present in many parts of the world and where they have arrived in new regions, may become agricultural pests. Mole crickets have 3 life stages: eggs, nymphs, and adults. Most of their lives in these stages are spent underground, but adults have wings and disperse in the breeding season. They vary in their diet. Some species are herbivores, mainly feeding on roots, others are omnivores, including worms and grubs in their diet, and a few are largely predatory. Male mole crickets have an exceptionally loud song. They sing from a burrow that opens out into the air in the shape of an exponential horn. The song is an almost pure tone, modulated into chirps. It is used to attract females, either for mating or for indicating favorable habitats for them to lay their eggs. In Zambia, mole crickets are thought to bring good fortune, while in Latin America, they are said to predict rain. In Florida, where Neoscapteriscus mole crickets are not native, they are considered pests, and various biological controls have been used. Gryllotalpa species have been used as food in West Java, Vietnam, Thailand, Laos, and the Philippines.
Siya pala yung tumutunog guys, oh. Katabi yung tunog niya.
Insects in the family Katidids are commonly called katidids, especially in North America. 1. Or bush crickets. 2. They have previously been known as longhorned grasshoppers. 3. More than 8,000 species are known. 1. Part of the suborder Ensiphera, the Katidids are the only extant, living family in the superfamily Katigonioidea. Are bush crickets harmful? Crickets can bite, but they cannot bite into the human skin easily. But this doesn't mean these critters are risk-free. The risk with crickets doesn't lie in their bite, it lies in the diseases they carry, such as E. coli and Salmonella. Green stink bug. The green stink bug or green soldier bug, Chinovia hilaris, is a stink bug of the family Pentatomidae. Although they are not dangerous, stink bugs and green stink bugs are undesirable because of the nuisance they cause. Stink bugs meet the definition of being poisonous but nowhere near the extent of numerous venomous reptiles or spiders that inject their venom. Antlered crane fly. It is found in the Palearctic. The antlered crane fly is notable for its bright black and yellow colors, which are thought to offer it defense from predators due to its similar appearance to wasps. Are crane flies harmful? Crane flies cannot hurt you. It's a complete myth that crane flies have venom and they do not bite. Unlike mosquitoes, gnats and midges, crane flies don't feed on blood and their mouthparts can't pierce human skin. They are not poisonous either. Longhorn beetle. The longhorn beetles are a cosmopolitan family of beetles, typically characterized by extremely long antennae, which are often as long as or longer than the beetle's body. What do longhorn beetle antennae do? Longhorn beetles use their antennae to help them detect scents in their environments. Across the back of the longhorn beetle rests its elytra. Elytra are the hard wing coverings that protect the delicate rear wings of the longhorn beetles. These coverings are formed by the 2 front wings of each beetle. Is a longhorn beetle harmful? Asian longhorn beetles are not directly dangerous to humans. These beetles will not bite, poke, or sting you. However, Asian longhorned beetles can have significant indirect health impacts. The wood-boring nature of these beetles kills trees from the inside. Tiger moth. Tiger moth, any of about 11,000 species of moths, the common name of which is derived from that of one of its most common genera, Gramea, which have dark wings with red or orange spots and white stripes, sometimes displayed in striking geometric patterns. What are the abilities of tiger moths? Tiger moths, Lepidoptera, erebidi, Arctiani, use modified cuticular plates called timbal organs to produce ultrasonic clicks which can aposematically signal their toxicity, mimic the signals of other species, or, in some cases, disrupt bat echolocation.
So ito mga guys, napakagandang gagamba mga guys. Oh. Ito yung bahay niya mga guys. Ayos. Napakalupit ng kanyang bahay mga guys. So tingnan natin mga guys kung anong klaseng gagamba ito. Yan. So nandito siya sa gitna ng ano mga guys. Dito. Wow. So very nice. Yan oh. Wow. Wow. So napakalupit niya mga guys. So ang gagamba pa lang ito mga guys ay tinatawag na tent spider. So tent spider yung tawag ng gagambang ito mga guys. Okay, so napakalupit to. Hanip ng kanyang forma. So hindi siya kagaya ng mga ibang gagamba mga guys na yung panderby na gagamba na maghanap pa sila ng mataguan sa ilalim ng mga dahon. Pero siya mga guys, nandito lang siya sa sa gitna. Hindi siya mahirap hanapin kasi nasa gitna lang siya ng kanyang bahay. At makita natin yung niya, yung kanyang bahay ay para siyang tawag nito, yung para talaga siyang tent. Kung makita mo yung tent mga guys, kita niyo yan. So itong bahay niya, yan pababa. Saka andyan yung niya, yung kanyang forma ng kanyang bahay mga guys. Para siyang payong na payong na ihaya na payong, no? Yung kanyang bahay mga guys. Tapos nandito siya. Dito siya nakatira. So lupit ng kanyang bahay. Malupit yung disenyo ng bahay niya mga guys. Kakaiba. Lupit. So yan mga guys. Ito yung bahay ng tent. Spider mga guys. Yan So yung bahay niya mga guys, pag may nahulog na mga dahon, dito na pupunta. Yan Tapos siya mismo mga guys, nagdala siya ng dahon dyan sa gitna para kanyang pagtaguan, maging silbi ng kanyang bahay, no? So kakaibang disenyo ng kanyang bahay nito mga guys. Kakaiba. Di ba? So malupit. So hindi lang talaga natin makita sa sa camera kasi transparent yung kanyang yung kanyang sapot. No? So yan lang mga guys. Okay.
Homo analis, known generally as the leaf-rolling weevil or oak leaf-rolling weevil, is a species of leaf-rolling weevil in the family of beetles known as Adelabbidae. It is found in North America. It is often preyed upon by the obligate egg predator and nest thief weevil. Weevils are beetles belonging to the superfamily Caeculionoidea, known for their elongated snouts. They are usually small, less than 6 mm in length, and herbivorous. Approximately 97,000 species of weevils are known. Cicadas are large insects made conspicuous by the courtship calls of the males. Time cicadas are feeble jumpers, and nymphs lack the ability to jump altogether. How long does cicada live? Adult cicadas have short lives, usually only a few weeks. Most of their lives are spent as nymphs underground. For some species, this can be up to several years. Shortly after a 17-year cicada nymph hatches from its egg, it burrows into the ground, where it spends, as its name suggests, the first 17 years of its life. When it emerges from the ground, it lives only 4 to 6 more weeks, just long enough to mate, fertilize or lay eggs, and start the cycle all over again. Thanks for watching.